How to fix the disabled Instagram ad account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your Instagram account has been disabled, it's usually due to violations of Meta's advertising policies. So make sure to understand the policy before moving forward. Ads that violate the Meta's advertising policies, such as misleading, inappropriate content, can lead to the account disablement. Likewise, suspicious activity or unauthorized access might also trigger the account. So, first of all, check for the notification by visiting the Meta's Business Manager or Ads Manager. Look for any notification or reasons mentioned for the disablement. This will help you to identify the issue. Now that this is done, you'll have to appeal the decision. For this, visit the account quality page in the Meta Business Manager. For this, you might have to go through the Facebook and type in facebook.com/account quality. Find the disabled account and click on request review. Submit the required information and a detailed explanation if you believe that your account was disabled by mistake. Make sure to complete the business verification process via the business manager. Upload any required documents such as business license, tax identification number, or proof of business address. However, if this does not help, you'll have to contact Meta support. Use the chat or email option to get in touch with the Meta supports team. Provide the relevant data and wait for the support. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.